Hi fellow viewers to everybody, my name is Steve. I am the owner of this video account. The next necrological video that I will present is about the 15th Prime Minister of Canada. I'm referring to Pierre Trudeau. He is the 15th Prime Minister of Canada. To give you a background, he was born on October 18, 1919 in Outremont, Montreal, Canada. That is his birthplace, Montreal, Canada. His full name is Joseph Philippe Pierre Ives Elliott Trudeau. He is the son of Charles Emile, known as Charlie, CHRLEY, Trudeau, and his mother is Grace Elliott. Okay. By the way, his common motto is reason before passion. That is his personal motto. By the way, he is the Prime Minister of Canada. You can check his personal records. He is the Prime Minister that has so many terms. You try to check. He became a Prime Minister in Canada from 1968 to 1979. So that's 11 years. And the other one is 1980 to 1984. So you can check his political background. By the way, he is married to Margaret Sinclair. So he was already Prime Minister that time. They married in 1971. That's the year that they married. The name of his wife is Margaret Sinclair. They had 3 sons on his first wife. The first child is the current Prime Minister of Canada, Justin, 1971. So after the marriage. Second is Alexander, his second son. The third one is Mitchell, 1975. So sad to say that his youngest son died due to avalanche, snow. So that's it. By the way, during his Prime Minister, he has so many achievements that he made. He traveled so many countries. He met with Cuban President Fidel Castro. Yes, it's proven and confirmed. He met with Russian leaders. It's a long story. He met with Chinese diplomats. I don't know what happened. And of course, he met personally with Richard Nixon, the former U.S. president. So because of due to the North American agreement, so there was a foreign relation. So that's it. Then he had also affair with Deborah Margaret Ryland Coyne. So they had a daughter named Sarah Elizabeth Coyne, 1991. Although I know this is a complicated. By the way, they divorced on. They had an annulment 1977. Then they got divorced 1984 after his second. What they call this? The last term of his Prime Minister. That's the only daughter they have, but they did not marry with Deborah. 1991. So that's it. By the way, he was the cause of. By the way, right now, Pierre Trudeau was died on September 28, year 2000, and that's Thursday, in the afternoon, in Montreal, Quebec. The cause of his death is prostate cancer. That is his cause of death. By the way, he was buried in Saint Remy Cemetery. Saint Remy, that's found in Quebec. That's in Canada. That's it. By the way, the most important part is during his last term as Prime Minister from 1980 to 1984. The greatest achievement he made is the Canadian Constitution or Constitution Act of 1982. So that's the most important part. In his previous term as Prime Minister, he met with international diplomats, the most noted personalities. He met with many foreign leaders because so that they could met each other, bilateral relations with other leaders. So that's his work as a Prime Minister that time. Okay, I hope that you listen to my simple video in this necrological video. Thank you for listening. Good morning.